So in this video I will show you and I will give you a free VPN that you can use on your iPhone. To prove this, first I'm going to search Reddit. Now you may ask why I'm searching for Reddit, but in my country we cannot access Reddit. So what we're going to do next is just go to App Store and click the search button and search for 1.1.1.1.1.1. Make sure that you download this one from Cloudflare 1.1.11.1 faster internet. You can go ahead and install this, but since I already have this installed in my phone, I just can open it. And after this, just wait for it to load. Then you can just tap on it to connect. And then after it says connected right here, you can go back to your Safari to open that anything that is blocked. Click that refresh, and now I can open Reddit. This VPN is free, you don't need to pay, but since there's this option that you can pay to get a faster connection, but it is very cheap. So if you do want to pay for that, it's only around $1 per month. 14,000 IDR is equals to 0.99 dollar. So it's really cheap. So it is considered to be free, and it is a very cheap option for a VPN that going to bring you the functionality that you are searching for, which is to browse to block website on your country. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.